How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about the Boya by M1 lavalier microphone for smartphones. So before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training, simply comment below and I will get back to you guys with more details. Comment in the comment section, you guys. So let's go over this right now. The reason why I'm making this video is because I keep getting a lot of questions from people about my microphone. They're like, you know what, your microphone upgrade is amazing, and they keep talking about, so I want to make a video today. So in this video, I am going to cover all the details about it. To start off, the microphone works awesome, and my honest opinion on it is that for the price, which is only about $20, it's simply amazing. I wanted to buy a microphone to improve my sound quality when I make YouTube videos. I was completely new to microphones and I wasn't quite sure what kind of microphone to buy. I did a little bit of research on the topic beforehand and it came down between the Boya microphone and a few others. My ultimate choice that led me to the Boya was that you simply just plug it into your audio jack and you can go onto your videos and record the video. And the microphone audio in the video, you don't need any synchronizing at all. With a lot of these mics, they usually require you to download other softwares and then you need to upload your audio from the video onto the apps and make changes in order to use the new audio. This just made a headache for me and I didn't want to have to deal with that right now. Anyways, in my video making career, I simply just wanted to upload. I just simply wanted to make a video, have the headphone plugged in, get good audio, and that's it. I wanted to keep it simple, you guys. Eventually, I thought to myself, I will upgrade my microphone, but for now, so what I was thinking is that eventually I will upgrade it again. Right now it's only $20, you guys. This microphone's amazing, but eventually I will get some higher qualities ones, maybe $200-300. But for now, you guys, I can honestly say this microphone, you guys, is amazing. My audio now sounds similar to that of professional YouTubers completely. If you are making YouTube videos and you do not have a microphone, a lot of people who watch your videos will simply click off the video the minute you start talking. Trust me on this. I know a lot of people will say too that as long as you stand close to the camera, it will still produce the exact same result. This is 100% false. The $20 that I have paid for this microphone has made my video quality 10 times video simply because of my audio, you guys. I wouldn't say, yeah, my video quality, it has simply made it that much better just because of my audio. For beginner YouTubers, the most common mistake they make is AVL, audio, video, and lighting errors. It has been said that audio is probably the most important aspect of making a YouTube video. You can get away with so-and-so video quality, but if your audio sucks, people will not watch. It's as simple as that. Some things I love about the Boya is that the cord length is 6 meters long, and I will show you guys. This cord length is freaking crazy. So I can talk all the way back here. Look how far I can go. Like I don't know if you guys can, yeah. Like, look at this length. Like, I'm almost across the freaking room. And guess what? My audio is freaking crazy. It's crazy. So the 6 meters long is amazing. Yes, it's very long. Trust me on this one. Trust me on this one. You do not want a short cord length. At times, I have been saved because I've used the full 6 meters before. To put this in comparison, other more expensive lavender microphones are only 1 to 1.5 meters long, maybe 2 meters long. This is way too short. Trust me on this. Trust me on this. Way too short, and having it to be very long is very convenient. I honestly thought to myself, I'm like, 6 meters, that's dumb. That is stupid. I will never use that. I use that all the time. Trust me on this. 6 meters is crazy good. This mic can be used with smartphones, DSLR cameras, both Nikon and Canon, camcorders, audio recorders, and computers, and PCs and laptops, you guys. It can be used with iPhone 6, 6S, 7, 7S, 8, and 8S. I'm using it right now off a 7S, you guys, an iPhone 7S. So what are the pros of this microphone? Small, cheap, very long cord length, simple setup. You simply just plug it into your iPhone, your camera, and you're good to use. No apps or other steps needed. It's literally plug it in, you're done, as simple as that. Now, what I am going to do for you guys, I am now going to show you guys the difference in sound quality with me using the Boya mic and me using no mic at all. So I will be at the exact same distance from the iPhone. You will notice a huge difference in sound quality. It'll completely change what you guys are thinking. So as you can see, so I'm going to show you guys that right now. I'm going to unplug the mic. Let's do it right now. Okay, everyone, this is the exact same distance. I'm talking the exact same way that I would. I do not change my voice. A lot of people, what they do when they make these sound qualities, they'll try to get you to buy a product. What they will do is they will stand closer, or they will make it appear as if they are closer, or they'll talk really quiet so you guys think you're getting a huge difference in your microphone. I'm being 100% real with you guys right now. This is how I talk, and if you guys can tell right now the difference in sound quality, it's night and day. It is completely night and day, and I can tell you right now, as you can see, the sound quality is very unprofessional, very unprofessional. So I'm going to plug it back in. Okay, you guys, as you can see now, the sound quality is very professional. Overall, I love this microphone, and for $20, you will not find a cheaper mic with a higher quality. Not that I have done any research on, maybe you guys can do a little more research on, but I love this microphone. This microphone is crazy. I love it. I have put this microphone in my description box if you guys are looking to purchase it. This is the exact link that I used to purchase my microphone. It has helped me. I cannot say this enough. The reason why I am making this video, honestly, is because I searched through every single freaking video. There was so many different discussions, so many different ones. Which mic to buy, which mic to buy, which mic to buy. The biggest question that I had to myself was, if I plug that mic in, do I get audio right now, or do I have to use some fancy app? Do I have to put all this different stuff into a computer software and edit it out? That's going to take hours. I want to plug it in, be done with it, and it works. It does. You plug it in, you plug it out, it works. You get the audio right now on your iPhone, on your camera, whatever you're using, you get it, you guys. This microphone will take your YouTube career to another level. If your audio sucks, nobody will watch your videos. Trust me on that. Nobody will watch your videos. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate the support. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Like the video, share it. And again, if you guys want to buy the Boya, it is in my description box. End the video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, everyone.